In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Bluestacks on Windows 11. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that lets you run mobile apps and games on your PC, which is great for larger screens, keyboard controls, and multitasking. Before we begin, make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements so the installation goes smoothly. You'll need Windows 11 in its 64-bit version, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, around 10 gigabytes of free storage for the program and app data, updated graphics drivers, and administrator access so you can approve the install. If any of these are missing, take a moment to address them first to avoid setup errors. When you're ready, open your web browser and head to the official Bluestacks website. On the homepage, look for the button that says Download Bluestacks and click it. Your browser will start downloading an installer file with a .exe extension. Once the download finishes, open that file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. You'll see the Bluestacks setup window. Choose Install Now, then sit tight while the installer unpacks everything. Installation time will vary depending on your system speed, so let it finish without closing the window. When the installer completes, Bluestacks will launch automatically. On the first run, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. This is the same account you'd use on an Android phone, and it's required to download apps and sync your purchases. Follow the on-screen sign-in process. After that, open the Play Store inside Bluestacks, search for the apps or games you want, and click Install just as you would on a mobile device. They'll appear on your Bluestacks home screen once they're ready. For the best performance, Bluestacks benefits from hardware virtualization. If virtualization is disabled on your PC, you may notice slower performance. In that case, check Microsoft's guide on how to enable virtualization on Windows 11, then return to Bluestacks once that's set. After installing, a few quick settings can make a big difference. In Bluestacks settings, consider allocating a bit more RAM and CPU if your system has resources to spare. This helps smoother gameplay and multitasking. In Windows, setting your power plan to high performance can also reduce stutter. Finally, keep your GPU drivers up to date to ensure compatibility and stability. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, and configured Bluestacks on Windows 11, and you're ready to enjoy Android apps on your PC.